Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dietitian Simran and on this channel we talk about the power of nutrition. Today we are going to dive into a topic that has affected almost everybody, which is stress. In this video we are going to discuss about how stress can impact your life negatively. How can you identify stress? What are different types and categories of stress? Most importantly, nutritional and lifestyle changes that can help you reverse stress. At the end, I am also going to share some home remedies that you can do to reduce the stress levels. So, if something like that interests you, then stay tuned. Now, what is stress? Stress is your body's natural response to challenges, be it physical, mental, emotional. Some examples of physical stress can be overexercising or an injury or an illness, whereas mental stress is categorized with depression, anxiety, mood change, sleep disorders, and so on. By understanding the categories of stress, you will get to know what is the cause of your stress. Stress can be acute, chronic, or episodic. Acute stress is short-term. For example, an upcoming meeting that you have to prepare for, which you are stressed about. Whereas chronic stress is prolonged due to financial worries or a difficult job. On the other hand, episodic stress is small period of stress. For example, that you're getting late and you have to rush somewhere. Did you know there is a good type of stress as well? That's known as eustress. Eustress actually motivates you for achieving a goal for better and positive outcomes. Stress impacts your body negatively and can present as physical impacts in the form of headaches, fatigue, muscle tension, and digestive issues. Mentally, it can impact you by causing anxiety, depression, trouble concentrating, insomnia, and so on. But I am most concerned about long-term health risks of stress, as chronic stress can lead to conditions such as heart diseases, high blood pressure, diabetes, hypothyroidism, and so on. Now, how can you tell if stress is the root cause of your problems or your health issues? Here are some simple signs that can help. Unexplained fatigue, trouble sleeping or waking up frequently at night, indigestion, bloating, gastritis, frequent colds and illnesses due to poor immune system. Now you know how you can identify stress with some signs and symptoms. But you can get yourself tested too. There are some biochemical tests that can show if you have high levels of stress or not. You can get your cortisol tested. You can also get tested for magnesium deficiency and vitamin B group deficiency. Now, magnesium is vital for muscle relaxation and nervous system functioning. A deficiency of magnesium can lead to anxiety, restlessness, and insomnia, whereas B group vitamins play a complex role in brain development and brain functioning. Lack of B group vitamins can cause fatigue, irritability, difficulty in concentrating, and so on. So, if your lives are really stressful, then make sure you include magnesium-rich foods such as spinach, almonds, pumpkin seeds, as they can help regulate the neurotransmitters that calms your nervous system. Magnesium can also reduce your cortisol levels. On the other hand, B group vitamins can help you stabilize your mood and reduce your stress levels. So make sure you're including eggs, whole grain cereals, leafy greens in your diet every single day. Now, omega-3 fatty acids can be really helpful if you have a high stress life. It can be found in nuts, oil seeds, fishes like salmon, and they help reduce inflammation in the brain, improving the brain's response to the stress. They are also known to lower your symptoms of anxiety and depression. A diet rich in antioxidants is really helpful if your lives are highly stressed. Berries, citrus fruits, green tea can help you combat your oxidative stress that can damage your brain and cells of the body. But one thing that you don't have to ever forget about is hydration. The more dehydrated you are, the more stressed your body is. Yes, dehydration can increase your stress levels, so make sure that you always have a water bottle handy. Now, nutrition is just one piece of the puzzle. I want you to work on a complete lifestyle change. Practicing mindfulness by incorporating meditation, deep breathing exercises in your daily routine, exercising regularly for at least 30 minutes in a park or in an open setting, aiming for 7 to 9 hours of at least good quality sleep can really help. Now, these are the do's, but there are some don'ts as well. You have to limit the intake of caffeine. Caffeine might give you the temporary energy boost, but it stimulates the release of adrenaline and cortisol, two things that are not good for you, as their body's primary response to stress. It can lead to jitteriness, heightened anxiety, disrupted sleep. I would suggest consider shifting to herbal teas such as green tea, chamomile tea, as they can help you reduce your stress level. Now, one thing that I really need you to restrict if your lives are already very highly stressed, that is alcohol. I know you might use it to relax and chill, but did you know that alcohol is a depressant? It can interfere with brain's ability to regulate mood. Over time, prolonged consumption of alcohol can disrupt your sleep, mood. Moreover, it can dehydrate your body. So, restricting alcohol can help you greatly in managing your stress levels. Now, in the last segment, as I told you that I'm going to share some home remedies that can really help you combat stress. I need you to create a self-care ritual for yourself. Adopt any of these habits, such as gardening. Spending time with nature really helps reduce your stress levels. Take a hot shower or a warm bath before bedtime, as it can help you bring a good quality sleep. A good quality sleep means reduced stress levels. Take at least 15 to 20 minutes in a day to talk to a person with whom you really feel happy. It could be your friends, it could be your family, it could be a sibling or a cousin. But if nothing works, please seek a professional help. Finally, let's look at some simple remedies that can really help you. For example, including chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is known for its calming effect, so make sure you have a cup before bedtime to reduce your stress levels. Try incorporating lavender aromatherapy. Lavender is a very calming fragrance and will give you a soothing effect. Herbs like ashwagandha also help a lot. They help regulate your stress hormones and improve your body's resilience to stress. Apart from this, Epsom salt bath or soaking your feet in Epsom salt before bedtime in warm water, turmeric milk breathing exercises can also help you a lot. Remember, stress is inevitable. It is a part of our lifestyle nowadays. But with right nutrition, lifestyle modifications, and these natural remedies, you can be more controlled, calmer, and lead a healthier life. If you found this video helpful, please do share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram to stay in touch.